Case Study 7 deals with an aspect of modeling that many of us are often struggling with. How do you extrapolate from local results to national results? How do you extrapolate from an application where there's lots of data to an application where there's very little data? In this case study, we'll be using a model that was developed in another DEFRA project called the Sustainable Intensification Platform. The dynamic topology tool, which is part of the SIP program, was developed to prioritize areas, both locally and nationally, where agri-environment interventions are most likely to be successful, and therefore is a target area for implementation of these interventions. In this case study, we'll use the outputs from SIP2 to try to compare to observed information on water quality and uptake of agri-environment schemes to determine whether or not interpolation from data-rich areas to data-poor areas and from local to national scales can be facilitated using a tool like these mapping dynamic topology tools. While the primary purpose of this website is to provide tools for catchment managing and modeling, obviously we'd like for our results learned at that scale to be useful at a national scale for policy decision making and support. This case study is a demonstration of how our information and our knowledge can be used in a national arena to help set policy for the country.